Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do the question answers of unit number 6, Major Shabir Sharif Shaheed, Nishani Haider and Sitara Jurat. It is the unit number 6 of class 8th. Question number 1 is, what does Nishani Haider mean? Nishani Haider literally means symbol of the lion and is awarded to those who show utmost gallantry during wartime. Question number 2 is, what is the difference between Nishane Pakistan and Nishane Haider? Answer, in Pakistan, the highest civil award is Nishane Pakistan, that is awarded to the government officials and civilians, while the highest military award is Nishane Haider, that is awarded to the military personnel only. Question number 3, what do you know about the early education of Major Shabir Sharif Shaheed? Answer is, he started his early education from Presentation Convent School, Rawalpindi. Then, due to his father's postings to different cities, he attended St. Francis Grammar School, Quetta, St. Anthony High School, Lahore, and Government College, Lahore. Question number 4, how many times a year passing out parade is held? Answer, passing out parade is held twice a year at the parade grounds. Let's start the question number 5. When was Major Shabir Sharif awarded Sitara Jurat? Answer is, Major Shabir Sharif was awarded Sitara Jurat for the reason of his bravery, valor, and dauntlessness in the War of 1965. Question number 6. Who was the utmost decorated officer of the Pakistan Army? Answer, Major Shabir Sharif was the most decorated officer of Pakistan Army. Question number 7. Why were both Sitara Jurat and Nishani Haider awarded to Major Shabir Sharif? Answer, Sitara Jurat and Nishani Haider both were awarded to Major Shabir Sharif because his achievements were parallel to none. He had all the qualities of a war hero. He was a refined soldier, totally committed to his profession. Question number 8 is, do you think his war strategies were successful? Answer, yes, I think his war strategies were successful because under his leadership, Pakistani troops took control of Sabuna Ridge. They inflicted heavy losses to the enemy, and as a result, the Indian army demoralized. Question number 9 is, can you relate an act of Major Shabir Sharif's bravery during a war? Answer, on 3rd December 1971, Major Shabir Sharif launched an assault to take control of Gulmakheda Bridge. It was not an easy target. The scary landmines in the way had to be crossed. Nothing could stop this determined officer. His bravery and leadership made way for the battalion to move forward fearlessly. The brave men, under the leadership of Major Shabir Sharif, gallantly fought against the bursts of Indian bullets and destroyed the enemy bunkers with hand grenades, and took control of Sabuna Ridge. Question number 10. Why was it difficult for the Pakistani forces to enter the Indian territory? Answer, it was difficult for Pakistani forces to enter the Indian territory because to get an aerial advantage, the Indian forces created an artificial ridge towards Pakistan. There is a question of unit number 6 at page number 69. Question number is 5. Read and understand the two different meanings of the following words written against each and make meaningful sentences. Number 1 word is band. The first meaning of band is a musical group, and the sentence is there are many musical bands in Pakistan. Again, there is a word band. It means ring. I use hairband to clip my hair. The second word is current. It means up to date. The sentence is current situation of Pakistan is very bad. Second, current means flow of water. Sentence is Ali was swept away by the current. Number third word is bright. First meaning is very smart or intelligent. Sentence is Sana is a bright student. Number two, bright, filled with light. And the sentence will be today is a bright day. Fourth word is well. First meaning is in good health. Sentence Ali is not feeling well. Second meaning of well is a source of water in the ground. Sentence is in villages, well is used for drinking water. Next word is circular. Circular means first meaning is take the form of a circle. First sentence is the lake was roughly circular in shape. Second meaning of circular is an advertisement. Sentence according to government circular, there will be holiday on 12th Rabiul Awal.